Hi, this is Iqbal Hasan. I am from eMart IT. We are a professional team specializing in web automation, digital marketing, e-commerce solution and custom web development. In today's fast-moving digital landscape, to run a successful business or service you provide, you must need a website. But to be successful in online space is not just having a website. It's about creating a system or service which works for you automatically. In short, you need web automation. In the web automation space, what are the services we are providing? First of all, we are creating the website for you. It will be a full responsive, user-friendly website. Then we are creating all the sales funnel. Then CRM automation. We will integrate the CRM inside this automation system. We will create workflows as per your requirement. It could be email automation, it could be booking system automation, it could be chat widget automation, anything. We will create the automation, we will set up the pipeline, we will set the trigger, and it will do all the service automatically. Then we will take care of your reputation, like with the review management automation. Any service you provide, you need a review, and we will follow up with that customer with automation so that it will improve your reputation in the online space. After the sales funnel, we will create the lead capture automation from any platform as per your requirement. Then we will provide social media automation. In that automation, you can schedule your post. Then the most important thing, that is calendar booking automation. If anyone book a scheduled call with you or a meeting, then how you will follow up with that customer? We will set up that automation system, like if anyone book, we will send a automatic welcome message, then the reminder before meeting, then after meeting, if everything goes well, then we will send a review request with the same automation system. Also, we will create a chat widget automation. It could be live or it could be email automation. Also, we will create a contact form automation. All of this need a well-structured web automation. To do all the automation work, we are using a software. This is the most powerful software right now we have for any automation. That is GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is the real game changer right now. GoHighLevel easily replace your 10 plus tools which you are using to automate your business from different platforms. It will save you thousands of dollars monthly subscription fee for different tools you are paying monthly to run your web automation. Also, it will reduce your hours and hours manual work. So what are the services GoHighLevel providing you? It is providing you the website creating service, CRM, funnel building, pipeline, workflow, email marketing, email campaign, social media management, social media post scheduler, then reputation management, and all the automation you are looking to be successful in your business. You will getting all the service under one platform, that is GoHighLevel. Now you might ask, if GoHighLevel is providing all the tools and services integrated in one place, then what we are providing you? No doubt, GoHighLevel is the most advanced and powerful web automation software right now we have. But only if you have the time, skill and strategy to use it correctly. That's where we came in. We will not only set up your business with GoHighLevel, we will work as your backend team to run your business smoothly. As a team, we also do digital marketing. It starts with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, social media management, customer reputation management, email marketing, SEO, content strategy, all the service you ask for to be successful in your digital space. As a team, we have years of e-commerce store management experience. Whether you are on Amazon FBA, wholesale, private label, Walmart WFS, Shopify, eBay, or any e-commerce platform. So if you are a business owner who wants to simplify your business, your technology, and automate your backend and grow at the same time, then eMart IT is your partner. Let us handle your business backend so that you can focus on doing what you do the best. For more detail, book a free consultation today so that we can share how we process, how we automate your business, and what are the benefits of it. If you have any more questions, just email us info@emartit.com. Thank you.